Hi everyone, welcome into Escobar. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about what is software testing. What is software testing? Software testing is the process of verifying a software application or system to ensure it meets specified requirements and functions correctly, securely, and efficiently. This is the definition of software testing. Software testing is the process of evaluating software to identify defects. And the goal of software testing find bugs early and improve product quality. The main purpose of software testing goes beyond just finding bugs, defect detection. The most immediate goal is to find errors or bugs early in the development lifecycle when they are less expensive to fix. Why software testing is important? Software testing is important because ensure quality and reliability, prevent costly production bugs, and it improves user satisfaction. This is the real-time example. Banking apps must process transactions accurately. Types of software testing. Main types of software testing is functional testing. This focuses on what the system does, verifying that all features and functions work according to the specifications. Functional testing check what system does, and non-functional testing is performance testing, security testing, and usability testing. This is the non-functional testing. Function testing is to check what the system does and verifying that all features and functions work according to the specifications. This is the real time example. E-commerce app search product. User will search the product and verify correct results appear after searching the product. After searching the product, user will add to the cart. User will add to the cart items reflects accurately, and checkout payment gateway works. Order history. After order completion, user should be able to show correct order details. This is software testing lifecycle STLC. First phase is requirement gathering, second test planning, test case design, test case execution, defect reporting, and test closure. In the requirement gathering, QA gather the requirement and test planning. In the test plan phase, QA create a test plan and test case design. In test case design, QA create a detailed test cases including test case ID, test case description, test case steps, expected and actual results. This is example login page test plan. First, user will open the login page and check valid login with correct data. User will enter username and password and then click on submit button. User should be login with valid credentials. This is positive case. And then user will enter invalid login with wrong password. This is negative case. And user should not be login with invalid credentials because user enter invalid credentials. Check the empty fields. If the user does not enter username and password and then click on login button, so an error message should be displayed that username or password is invalid. This is real time example. Wrong password should show proper error. If the user enter valid credentials, user should be logged in and dashboard will be displayed. But if the user enter wrong passwords, so proper error message should be displayed. This is deliverables in testing. After completing this testing, user needs to share test plan document, test cases, bug reports, and test summary report. Conclusion: software testing ensures stable, secure, bug free software. So that's our for today tutorial on software testing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.